In an era of rapid transformation of global industry, Made in China 2025 has become an important strategic development goal in Chinese manufacturing industry. Faced with international market, drawing close to the real needs of the clients and improving the core competitiveness, IBE Group is dedicated to assisting in the rapid development of global small and middle technology enterprises and building the top-grade service provider in the EMS industry. Products made with good quality will obtain the trust of all. IBE Group consistently adheres to the concept of building excellent quality and trying hard to reach beyond the expectation of the clients. IBE keeps making breakthroughs in technology and production to lead the EMS industrial and build a one-stop solution integrating material purchasing, production processing, finished product assembly, test and service. Since its establishment in 2005, over 10 years of innovation and development, IBE Group has set up 4 processing and manufacturing bases, including the headquarters in Shenzhen, a large OEM production base in Dongguan, a large PCB production base in Wuping, and a manufacturing factory in Portland, America. Our products include electronic engineering design, PCB manufacturing, SMT and PCB assembly, component purchase, modeling and packaging, widely applied in automobile electronics, medical machinery, defense industry and new power charging, etc. With a strong manufacturing and producing capacities and the practical application in all fields, IBE Group has achieved a stable increase of sales volume by 30% to 35%. IBE pays great attention to the cultivation of high-quality, multi-talented technical staff. In 2017, a professional technical service department was set up in the factory in Portland, America, focusing on providing technical support service for IBE clients in the medical, automotive, electronics and defense industries, etc. Round-the-clock technical support is also provided for clients on analysis of the manufacturability, product fault judgment and analysis, PCB layout, component selection, and component replacement evaluation, etc. Solving the client's doubts and problems in technologies, as well as research and development, optimizing resources, distribution and allocation, promoting of the IBE brand and image among our clients. There is an increasing need to shorten the client's cycle time for getting the product to market. Therefore, IBE Group invested in modernizing its equipment, introduces multi-layer automatic PCB production equipment, high-precision CNC, and relevant casting and molding equipment, 16 automatic printers, 36 rapid chip mounters, 12 moderate and high-speed chip mounters, 12 online SPI machines, and 12 AOI equipment from leading international equipment suppliers. The productivity of chip mounting is as high as 15 million pieces a day. The productivity of plugging components is 2 million pieces a day. And the productivity of assembled units is 6 million a month. The group can mount chip components, including 0201 and 01005, as well as QFP, BGA, and fine pitch parts down to a pitch of 0.3 millimeters with ultra precision. We have modernized the workshops and 6 complete assembly lines, as well as 2 packaging lines capable of providing finished products in the fields of military defense, medical and aerospace, etc. We have established good global cooperative ties with hundreds of big-name enterprises including Valeo, ABB, Jabil, Flex, AEC, and grammar, etc. Our service radiates to the whole world. Besides, IBE Group adheres strictly to the production and manufacturing standards of TS 16949 automobile industry and ISO 13485 medical machinery industry, sticks to the rigorous quality management and control procedure, and sets up 100% complete inspection and a management system from the source to the terminal. Our raw materials are purchased from Aero, Excel Point, Future, Microchip, World Peace Industrial Group. IBE has won and obtained the following certifications, such as ISO 9001-2008, International Quality Certification, ISO 14001 Environment Management System Certification, TS 16949 Automotive Industrial Quality Management Accreditation, ISO 13485 Medical Machinery Quality Management System Accreditation, UL Accreditation, and Disney Pharma, etc. Our group can undertake the client's 3C certification, CE certification, FDA accreditation, and UL accreditation, reducing the time of the client's application for accreditation certificates. Over a decade of production and management experience and a perfect after-sales system have won us the universal praise from our global clients and honored us with various titles of trustworthiness. It is fair to say that IBE Group constructs the best brand among Chinese EMS professional manufacturers with its reputation and quality. IBE adheres to human-oriented development purpose, sets up win-win platform for all employees, clients, and enterprises. We focus on talent training and employees' welfare system building, constructs one-to-one guidance for technical talent, and cultivate employees to achieve the growth of social value and the value of life on the stage of IBE.